So my name is Marco Multari. I come from Emerson and I'm a sales director for Europe for the industry. So I take care of all the main industries where we are present. The company Emerson is a pure player in automation. So we are able to provide a control system, DCS, valves and instrumentation. My field of work is instrumentation. So I'm a passionate instrumentation engineer since the beginning, and now I manage the industries and the sales in Europe. PRC is a special event for us. We really want to play a role in this Congress. It's very important to meet customers, new trends, regulations. There are all the players, engineering company, all the players are here, and it's a great opportunity to sit all together, to listen to the new trends, to listen to the business cases that are super important, super interesting. Is for us not only a way to nurture business, but even a way to get involved in the innovation of technology that we want to bring forward to support these industries. I had the opportunity to speak at the Roundtable, and it has been a great event. I really like it. We talk about a topic that is extremely important, that is energy efficiency. And my topic was about how automation can impact the energy efficiency in a plant. And it has been great, not only, let's say, in our business cases that we promoted, but at the same time we really found the fil rouge between all the presenters on the Roundtable, touching the same areas that are important and nevralgic for tackling this problem of energy efficiency. For us, we basically spoke about energy optimization, so asset optimization, using our instruments and our technology to get a much more efficient process in the assets that are present in petrochemical industry and refineries, and at the same time to work about the loss of energy that sometimes are happening and are very difficult to find, and we have specific solutions that we wanted to promote in this event. We were talking about how to keep the steam in the process efficient, the steam traps, monitoring, and leakages that are affecting these industries that are very difficult to find, and at the same time a very important source of emission and energy losses. So it was a very good conversation, great moderation. A lot of the experts around the table were engaging us with a lot of questions that has been inspiring, not only for giving our point of view, but even receiving at the same time great feedback from the industry. The B2B meetings are one of the key parts for me in this Congress. They really bring the opportunity to sit around the table with a very fruitful conversation, very engaging. We go to the point and we are able to talk to all the people and companies to which we want to connect. It has been very efficiently managed by Anastasia, so our manager was keeping us always, all the time involved with the communication, so it felt like a part of a team. So for me and the team, we really enjoyed this conversation and the way in which they were managed along the Congress. This is a great question on the asset management. We provide technology that are able to measure not only the variable that is needed in a process, but giving much more information. Today, one of the areas where it's important to play is analytics, is where the data stay and which kind of data are needed, not only to measure and to produce, but even to prevent a shutdown of the plant or the maintenance ad hoc when it's needed and not based on a calendar. This makes the things much more efficient, and it helps to reduce cost, it helps to reduce emissions. So our technologies that are standing in the world of the measurements, in the field instruments, we call it intelligent field instrument. This concept is because it's not only a physical principle to measure a variable, but even having much more information and touching in contact with the process to get much more data that are available for then the edge computing or the cloud for the plant. We met old friends and even new friends. So this has been surely an opportunity for being in touch with new contacts, and the B2B meetings were a way to touch base with new contacts with very valuable information and very valuable conversation. Not only for me, but we were here with 4 delegates, so the old peers really appreciated that. And it was even a moment for us to make some connection to customer together. It's not always the case. We are in different countries with different industries. So sitting together, having different perspectives during a conversation, it was valuable for us and the customer, but even between us as a team. So definitely it has been a great opportunity to get a list of customers. So we got a lot of interest from our solution that we proposed, and we sparked conversation around new needs, possibility, opportunities, and we are looking forward for the follow-up with all the new friends we have made in these days.